Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. This is a friendly place where we practice English through simple and real conversations. We're really happy you're spending a little part of your day with us. I'm James.
And I'm Bella. Thanks for being here with us today. Maybe you're drinking your morning coffee, getting ready for work, or just relaxing and starting your day slowly.
And if you're still lying in bed and listening to us, that's totally fine too.
Yes, learning English from bed is still learning English.
Exactly. English can be part of your day anywhere and anytime.
So, James, before we start our topic today, how was your morning?
Honestly, my morning was pretty simple. I woke up, looked outside the window for a moment, and then made a cup of coffee. I always feel like mornings are a fresh start.
That sounds peaceful. My morning was similar. I woke up, stretched a little, and listened to some English while getting ready.
That's actually a great habit.
Yes, small habits like that can slowly improve your English.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Our topic today is morning routine to improve your English.
Many people try to study English for long hours, but sometimes the best learning happens through small daily habits.
Especially in the morning when your mind feels fresh and relaxed.
Just a few minutes of listening, reading, or speaking English in the morning can make a big difference.
It doesn't need to be perfect or complicated.
The goal is simply to start your day with a little English.
And enjoy the learning process.
So, today we'll talk about simple morning habits that can help you improve your English naturally.
Relax, listen carefully, and maybe you'll get some ideas for your own morning routine.
All right, let's begin our conversation. All right, Bella, let's start with the simple question. What do you usually do in the first few minutes after waking up?
Well, the first thing I try to do is avoid my phone for a few minutes. Instead, I like to sit quietly and wake up slowly.
That sounds like a peaceful way to begin the day.
Yes, it helps my mind feel calm. And when my mind is calm, learning English feels easier.
I think many people check their phones immediately after waking up.
That's true. I used to do that too, and suddenly 20 minutes were gone.
It happens to me as well. One notification becomes five notifications.
Exactly, and then the morning becomes rushed.
So instead of checking the phone, what English habit can someone start with?
A very easy habit is listening. Just play a short English podcast while you make coffee or tea. Yes, your brain slowly wakes up while hearing English.
Sometimes I like to repeat a few sentences after the speaker.
That's perfect practice for pronunciation.
Even simple sentences can help.
Absolutely. Simple practice every day is more powerful than studying once a week.
I also like reading something small in the morning.
Like a short article or a few sentences from a book.
Yes, nothing long, just something light.
That's actually a very effective way to improve vocabulary.
Sometimes I read the same paragraph twice.
Repetition is a great learning tool.
Do you ever speak English to yourself in the morning?
Yes, I do that quite often.
What do you usually say?
I simply talk about my plans for the day.
For example,
I might say, "Today I need to finish some work, go for a walk, and call a friend."
that's a very natural way to practice speaking.
Exactly. You don't need a partner to practice English.
You can become your own speaking partner.
And the more you speak, the more confident you feel.
Confidence is very important when learning a language.
Yes, many people understand English but feel shy speaking it.
Morning practice can help remove that fear slowly.
Because mornings feel quiet and private.
No pressure, just you and your learning.
Another great habit is learning a few new words every morning. Just 3 words a day.
Only three?
Yes, small goals are easier to follow every day.
That makes sense.
After learning the words, try using them in sentences.
That helps you remember them longer.
Exactly.
I also think writing can help in the morning.
Writing a small journal entry,
Yes, even two or three sentences.
like writing how you feel today.
Or writing about your plans.
And that's a great way to practice thinking in English.
And thinking in English is an important step.
When you start thinking in English, speaking becomes easier.
Many learners say that is their biggest goal.
And it starts with small daily habits.
Morning routines are powerful because they repeat every day.
Yes, routines create consistency.
and consistency creates progress.
Exactly.
So even if someone practices only 10 minutes each morning,
After a few months, that becomes many hours of learning.
that's the magic of daily habits.
Small steps, big improvement.
I really like that idea.
Me too.
So listeners, maybe tomorrow morning you can try one of these habits.
Just one small English activity.
Listening, reading, speaking, or writing,
Choose the one that feels easiest for you.
and enjoy your morning learning time.
Learning English should feel relaxed and natural.
Exactly.
And mornings are the perfect moment to start.
I believe mornings are the best time to practice English because your mind feels fresh and calm. Even a few minutes of listening to a podcast or reading a short paragraph can help you start thinking in English. When you repeat simple sentences every day, your confidence slowly grows. Learning in the morning doesn't need to feel difficult or stressful. It can be as simple as enjoying your coffee while hearing English conversations. Small habits like this can make a big difference over time.
That's very true. And I think mornings create the perfect peaceful moment for learning. When the day is still quiet, it's easier to focus and enjoy practicing English. I like speaking a few sentences out loud about my plans for the day. It feels like a friendly conversation with myself. These little moments of practice help the language become natural. And when you repeat them every morning, your English improves step by step.
Another great morning habit is learning a few new English words every day. It doesn't have to be many words, even 2 or 3 are enough. When you learn new words in the morning, your brain remembers them better during the day. You can try using those words while speaking or writing simple sentences. This makes the learning process more natural and practical. Over time, your vocabulary slowly becomes stronger.
Yes, and I also think speaking a little English in the morning is very helpful. You can talk about simple things like the weather, your breakfast, or your plans for the day. Even if your sentences are not perfect, the important thing is to practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you feel with the language. Morning practice removes the fear of speaking English. And with time, those small conversations turn into real confidence. That's a really good point. And I like combining listening with reading sometimes. For example, I might read a short paragraph out loud while listening carefully to my pronunciation. It helps me notice how words sound and how sentences flow together. These small moments of practice feel very relaxed in the quiet morning. And when you repeat this routine every day, your speaking and listening skills improve step by step. Little habits in the morning can truly create big changes in your English journey.
Another simple habit is reading a few English sentences every morning. It helps your mind start thinking in English slowly. Even a short paragraph can improve your understanding. The goal is not to rush, but to read calmly and clearly. When you read daily, new words become familiar. This makes speaking easier during the day.
Yes, and writing a little English can also help a lot. You can write 2 or 3 sentences about your morning or your plans for the day. It's a simple way to practice grammar and vocabulary. Writing also helps you remember what you learn. Over time, your sentences become longer and more natural. Small writing habits can make your English stronger every day.
I also like repeating simple English sentences in the morning. It helps improve pronunciation and confidence. When you repeat words slowly, your mouth becomes more comfortable speaking English. Even 5 minutes of speaking practice can help a lot. Morning practice feels calm and focused.
Yes, and the best thing about a morning routine is consistency. When you practice a little English every day, it slowly becomes a natural habit. You don't need long study hours to improve. Small daily steps create big progress over time. That's the power of a simple morning routine.